Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel for another painting tutorial. Today I've got a quick and easy one focusing on how to paint a cloud. So I'm going to be showing you how to paint a cloud using a mop brush. The colors I'm going to be using today are Titanium White by Liquitex Basics. I'm going to be using a little bit of Mars Black and then Phthalo Turquoise by Holbein. I'm painting this on a 16 by 20 primed canvas. And we're going to start by just adding the background color of blue, black, and some white. So we're going to need a large brush just to do the background, but the cloud will be done completely with a mop brush. And the first color I'm going to take is the Phthalo Blue. And I'm just going to start painting the canvas. This main blue in the center, and then we're going to make it darker. As we go down a little lower, I'm going to add some white without washing my brush off. And we're just going to start bringing it in partially over the blue at the top. And then I'm going to take a little bit of my black, and I'm just going to add a little bit down here at the bottom, and I'm going to work that out into the blue. Wash my brush out. I'm going to blend everything with a dry mop brush. I'm going to start at the top and just very lightly go over, creating these little circles. This is going to give us the start of some clouds as well as getting rid of all the streaky lines. So we'll just keep working our way down till we get to the blue and the black, and then we just want to start to bring the two together. Now if you want more of just a light blue sky color, you can just leave out the black. But I really want to show you all how to create the most depth in your clouds. So just remember, if you want to have more depth and more contrast, use more of your dark and light shades. But I really like the charcoal blue color I get by mixing a little bit of this black up into that blue. We're going to start with another clean and dry mop brush. I'm going to take a little bit of white on the end of my brush, and I'm going to start up here. I'm just going to push and tap. I'm going to take a little bit more. You really want it to be mostly on one side. So I'm lifting up my brush and pushing and tapping so we get kind of it looking sort of bubbled and up higher and lower in areas. Okay, and then you're going to take a mop brush and you're just going to lightly sweep in little circles to soften just right underneath. And then we're going to go back over to some more white And we're going to start layering. So we're going to apply the next coat of white partially over where we just left off. This is going to give us some shadows or shade in between and give us that layered effect to our cloud. Okay, and then back over to the light, soft circles, and just softening and blending. You can try this with other colors. Just follow the same steps. Soften wherever you like. Remember where you want to have some nice bright highlights is where you're going to add and leave the white. So let's reload. I'm going to add a little bit more up here. And then I'm going to come in here and start tapping in the next layer. Okay, after we add the white, then we're going to come in with our other mop brush. By the way, these are my brand of brushes that I designed myself, and I'll have a link below if you want to check those out. They come in a set of 5, and I've got tutorials here on my channel showing you how to use them all. So look, in such a short amount of time, we've been able to build up a really dramatic looking cloud, and we're just going to keep going. Okay, as soon as you put it on, go underneath, soften. There's no water on this brush. It's dry. I'm just dry brushing and blending out. Now we're getting down into that bluey charcoal gray color. Remember to load the end of your brush. And blend, blend, blend. So you can add more and more layers, creating more and more depth. I love using mop brushes for clouds as well as trees. There's so many different uses and benefits for mop brushes. And I've got lots of tutorials similar to this where I use one brush only and I show you all the ways you can use it. So I'm going to go back up here and I'm going to add another layer right here. I'm going to soften. Little circles, clockwise, counterclockwise, it doesn't matter. Remember to get those bright little edges, like the silver lining. Add more white, and if it comes off, that's okay. It'll look really, really soft and even more 3D, and then you just come back over and add a little bit more. And you can go on and on and on, adding and adding to your clouds. They're so much fun to paint, very relaxing. I'm gonna add another one in here. You can even kind of add a little twist, half circle if you want to have a little bit more of a curve and shape. Okay, so there you have it, how to paint simple clouds with a mop brush. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial and learned a lot. Have fun painting your clouds, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!